little over 15 minutes to go in this match.
Anything can happen in 15 minutes. Either PHALEE can double the lead, or SEIKHOR can equalize, or SEIKHOR can even score 2 and win the match. 15 minutes is a lot in football.
15 seconds is a lot. 15 minutes is an eternity.
It's eternity. 15 minutes is eternity for PHALEE. 15 minutes, 15 seconds is nothing for.
So the theory of relativity by Albert Einstein comes in play here. So as you mentioned, 15 minutes will be like an eternity for PHALEE, and 15 minutes will be like 15 seconds for SEIKHOR.
Yeah.
Semichan now. Power of his lines. Yok me. One back by Alonso. Pau. Played by Pau. Semichan under pressure. Semichan lifts it over for.
Another golden.
People down the play has been allowed to continue, and the referee brings back play. Foul on Tokutar.
It's a very good position for SEIKHOR to equalize.
I don't know why the SEIKHOR players are complaining, because the referee was trying to play the advantage to the.
An offside was already given.
The offside flag was on.
Disappointing, understandably for SEIKHOR. They were expecting the equalize from the spot, but
Alonso. Out by Tammy. Showing for and Albon. Possible to win the pumping clearance, and it's being chased on by Temungchan. Jansa will get there ahead of Temungchan, and he heads it back to his goalkeeper Chipemi. Chipemi plays it long, cleared by Somaya. Lanchan trying to get a yellow card for Oriflame.
yellow card. Oriflame has been using his pace to his.
One plays it back to Jansa. Jansa assesses his options. Cleared by Ushungan. Chanyo left it by Tokuta. Cleared further by Kish.
Left the PHALEE player completely free and just slowed it.
Yellow card for Temungchan, the goal scorer, but he would not mind it at all.
He wouldn't.
What a finish that was. And what about that?
A lifetime opportunity for one to score against your rivals in the quarterfinals, the winning goal.
What is that? Return to Alonso. Jansa is out right for Shunripao. Straight forward now. It looks like he's playing on the left wing spot. Now Shunripao with Ranjan slotting back as a centre back. Shungbi cleared by Morocco.
Now throw for. It's an out throw for PHALEE.
Kish will look to throw it inside the box. It's a short one in the air. Bingo. Let the ball fall to Jeremy. Jeremy plays it out for throwing goal for PHALEE.
I think this is the power of fans while our team is playing, you know. I think the fans really rejuvenated the PHALEE team. They didn't want to disappoint them.
The chants and the songs from the PHALEE team have been phenomenal in the second half, and I think that's the power of the 12th man that's been pushing them. A free kick for SEIKHOR, and if they can score from this, It will be game on even if we are in the dying minutes of this game. Rancho. Oh, this free kick.
SEIKHOR's fans have not been able to compete with Phaalee's fans in the second half. The SEIKHOR's camp has been silent all this while. On the other hand, Phaalee's camp has been on fire, singing and shouting and screaming.
This is a shot and
It's an offside.
it's
An offside position. But it was a disappointing kick. Now drove it out.
Isn't it like you were mentioning about the power of the Phalee fans, and isn't it poignant that both goals have been scored towards the side where the Phalee fans are seated? It's as if the Phalee fans have sucked the ball into the net.
Indeed, indeed.
Out by Sumaya and
Overham is down.
Looking for medical attention.
Overham's switch from midfield to the wing has been, instrumental in this comeback.
Has been a master stroke from the Phalee manager.
Definitely, definitely.
But what if he had planned it all along? What if in playing him in midfield he had deceived the SEIKHOR coach and the tactical switch in the middle of the game caught the SEIKHOR coach off guard?
You never know. It could be just a mind game from the Phalee coach as well. If it
Maybe.
wasn't, then it's a mystery.
Ranchong. Shaken off the ball by Chanyo. Jamie now with Lanso. Lanso to Pointing. Pointing is a low stretch from Pointing. Quinlan plays it through for Tokater. Tokater! There's this shot just wide. The Phalee players were looking for the offside flag, but it was never coming. And Tokater, what a chance that was on a half volley. Good spot by Wingham. That was a
Disappointing finish.
Chansa. Cleared by Chanyo. With Chanyo out for Shumipao. Pao. Good slow crossing. It was a good one on the keeper again, doing very well to come off his lines to take the ball away from the feet of Tokater. Tokater running towards the corner flag to take this corner. Shumipao.
3 minutes have been added. 3 added minutes.
The free header there at the back post for Janpeng, and inadvertently blocked by one of the Phalee defenders.
3 added minutes to full time. Anything can happen in 3 minutes. Judging by the intensity of the game, SEIKHOR, there's a chance for SEIKHOR to score 2 goals in the last 3 minutes, or for Phalee to score another one in the last 3 minutes. Anything can happen.
The match you were talking about earlier comes to mind because it was in the last gasp of the game that Tottenham came back against Leicester. And that Premier League game last minute. But Overham on the left. They want to almost triple over. It's cleared by Chahansa. Somaya. Going back by Rancham. Young Mijing, as always, clears the ball away. Just as his name, Young Mijing has been watching over this Phalee defense quite well. It's always been there for the Phalee side. Timing. Just it long. Young Mijing again. Who else but Young Mijing?
Young Mijing has been so solid this entire game. There's been such a rock in the back for Phalee.
Trying to maneuver a bit of space, and
It's a free kick.
Free kick. Free kick in a very dangerous position here for SEIKHOR. They have less than 2 minutes to salvage this game. If they score in this situation, those will be jangling in the Phalee box.
Who do you
And the
think
Phalee
is-
fan base?
Who do you think is going to take the free kick?
Phalee open the scoring from a free kick. Can SEIKHOR pull one back from this free kick. Takutara and Bingham standing over this one. Taimi trying to unsettle the goalkeeper a little bit. By the looks of it, it will be Takutara who takes this free kick.
Can he score?
Takutara straight at the wall. Scores!
Offside,
He does find the back of the net.
offside. It's an offside.
It's offside.
That was such a disappointing free kick. Expected much more from a player of his